Welcome to part 5 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Build. Build. The workers will build a bridge over the river. Show. Show. She will show the visitors around the museum. Think. Think. She likes to think about her plans. Paint. Paint. They love to paint pictures on the weekends. Carry. Carry. He can carry the heavy bag to the car. Lift. Lift. He can lift the box onto the shelf. Teach. Teach. She will teach the class how to read. Shout. Shout. They shouted for help when they got lost. Find. Find. He needs to find his keys before leaving. Break. Break. She accidentally broke the vase. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.